Hi, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your chart of the week. We're going to talk a bit about candlesticks and risk management today. So this is Alcoa, and I'm sure most of you know that Alcoa already reported earnings. Looking at this chart here, you can see this is a very good example of a pre-earnings rally or pre-earnings run-up. Most of the time when you see a stock rally prior to any sort of announcement, most of the good news has already been priced into this stock. So when the announcement does come out, you have to ask yourself, what is it that will drive this stock even further? What is it that will attract buyers to buy this stock at an elevated price? So there must be some very significant upside surprise or good news to drive or to be the catalyst for people to buy even further. However, any sort of disappointment, and you will see a pretty significant sell-off as Alcoa has shown here. So let's just say, for example, you didn't know that earnings was coming out. Just looking at the chart alone, you can see how on the day prior to earnings, they produced a doji candlesticks. Now, doji candlesticks are a very useful reversal candlestick. Now, when you see something like this, especially after an extended rally, then it becomes more significant as a reversal or a pivot point. Now, on top of that, if you add on the indicators such as some MACD divergence, which indicates weakness, some overbought stochastic, as well as divergence with the stochastic, with the doji, that tells you from a risk management point of view that this was a pretty good level to start taking some profit. So even if you didn't know that earnings was coming out, just the fact that looking at the candlesticks and the indicators alone tells you that you should be out of this stock already. So I would use Alcoa as a very good example of how a stock behaves prior to some kind of event or announcement, and as well as using indicators such as candlesticks, stochastic, MACD, to gauge or use as risk management to protect the profits that you already have.